welcome to my YouTube channel. Let me know you guys' thoughts on my videos because as you know I am pretty new to this YouTube family, so your feedback would be great. I would like to know what you guys would like to see next. Let me know. I'm actually using the BB Tinted Treatment Primer with SPF of 30. I do use that by itself sometimes when I don't want to wear foundation. To prime the eyelids, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Just going to grab some of the translucent powder to set that concealer. I'll be taking this Morphe brush to blend out my foundation. Today I will be using the Fenty Beauty Foundation. I am in the shade 260. I'm blending the foundation out all over the face with this brush and then going back in with a sponge really helps you not get a cake face look. Let's go ahead and jump onto the concealer using the same concealer. You want to apply concealer in the highest points of your face because that is where the light hits you the most, and you want to make sure that area is bright. Before we set that under eye area, we're going to go ahead and contour with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'll link the shade in the description box. And then I'm just going to add a little bit, blend that with that same foundation brush, and then go back and add some more if I need to. To set under the eye area, I will be taking the Mercier translucent powder. To bronze up the face, I'm just going to use this Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. This is in the shade light to medium, and this Luxie 512 brush. All three of these dark shades. Translucent powder, and with this side of your sponge we're going to go ahead and cut that contour a little more sharp. For blush, I'm taking this Tarte blush, it's called Fearless, and then this Morphe R14. Dust this baby out. I'm gonna go ahead and do my nose contour and we'll be right back. So I went ahead and did this eye off camera because I really was not sure with what to go with. I used the Jaclyn Hail palette for this whole eye and a few brushes, and use that yellowy mustardy shadow with this Anastasia brush. This one is the one that comes with like Modern Renaissance palette. So we're gonna go ahead and start off applying this color right above the crease, so right here where your eye creases, but just right above that so it could be the top yellowy. You see that? So it could look like a gradient. We're gonna start from lighter to darker shade. So once that mustardy shadow is all blended well, go ahead and keep this brush because we are going to come back to it and apply some more of that. Blending tapered brush by Morphe. We're going to go ahead and pick up that orange shadow from the Jaclyn Hail palette. Taking that orange shadow, we're going to apply it right in the crease. And you want to bring that orange shadow right here in this area. Taking back that first brush and taking the mustardy shade, we're going to just go back and apply a little bit over that orange shadow so we can blend both of those colors together. If you have any harsh lines, just go in with a clean brush, preferably a big fluffy. Alright, now taking my MAC 217 brush, I will be taking a good amount of that brown. Just basically start off right here. Start off in circular motions as well, and gently moving upward onto the crease right beneath that orange shade. Start applying and dragging that brown shade onto the crease. Going back in with that clean brush and just blend the harsh edges. Then taking a flat brush like so, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab some of the gold shade on that Jaclyn Hill palette. And I am going to spritz it with Fix Plus. Taking my Morphe M431, this is just like a little small pencil brush. We're going to apply those same colors onto the bottom lash line. Going in with this one first, this one second, and this one third. From this Nicole Guerriero palette, I'm just going to be using Glow Getter for the inner corner highlight and also for the brow bone highlight. I'm just gonna go ahead and coat the lashes with mascara. Meanwhile, the glue on the lashes dry up. We're just gonna go ahead and set this face with this Morphe setting mist. For highlight, I will also be using this Glow Getter highlight from this palette. For lips, I'm going in with I Love Sarai and ColourPop's holiday collection. I'll be taking a Softy. It's pretty dark. Yeah. I'm not going to use any lip liner for this. Alright you guys, so this is the completed look. I fucking love this lipstick, y'all. I'm gonna add a burgundy lip liner. I feel like I'm not wearing anything on the lips. It's so amazing. I just wanted to overline my lips just a tad bit, just for fun, you know. Nothing serious. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. I just want to like stare at myself.